Right, I'm starting it because otherwise it's never going to happen. So here we are at 2020's second Trials Truck Challenge day, and we've got a few extras with us. We've got Molly and Brody. They're the speckled taters for the day. Vicky's here, she's scorekeeper. We've got the Eminator there. We've got Liberty Tim. And the other usual crew is along with the lovely Helen over there. We're all driving our regular trucks, but Liberty Tim and the Eminator are going to be driving the HSP Pangolin conversion truck. So it's going to be a good test for that today to see how well it performs with some rookie drivers on, although I think Eminator's not letting on to her little secrets there because she's just had a test run like a demon. I'm on the old Vatera as per usual. So different track today. It's along the same guidelines as the track that we set out before, but we've got some red string boundary line just for old Simon's pleasure there.
What are we doing now?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So red string boundary line. Every one of these gates now gains you 10 points. So you go through the gate, you get 10 points. You've got to negotiate your way through the stringed boundary area. If you hit the string boundary area, you only get 5 points when you go through the gates. So if you don't hit the string, you get 10 points per gate. If you hit the boundary tape, you only get 5 points per gate. So you'll drive the course, and where the boundary string is, you've got to stay within the guidelines, negotiating all of the gates and picking up your 10 points or 5 if you've hit the gate, the string boundary. If you roll it over, it's 5 points as per usual. Is everybody clear?
You lose 5 points.
Hello.
John's modified his truck beyond belief. He doesn't even know what it's doing now. All right. Okay. Who's going first? Who's first on the list?
I believe John.
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, that's
Is it
fine.
John.
John.
Excellent. Get ready on the start line then, John. Yeah, 10 points. Oh, crap.
You just knocked the course down.
I've just stepped on the tape. Pretty good. Got the old Shaley Hill climb now. And the gateways close up towards the top. Oh, he's looking better than his practice run. He's also a lot slimmer now that he's changed his tyres back. But we do have a very nasty looking off camber uphill turn into a tight gate up here.
The suspension there.
Brody's chief catcher, so if it rolls over you've got to catch it, Brode.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, good girl. Oh,
Touch.
he's going. So he's touched it.
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet. So now you can only accumulate 5 points per gate, John.
Is it only on this section though?
It's for the whole remainder of the course now.
Okay, right. Molly.
You don't want to roll over, John. Look at the tyres working. See the suspension in there tucked in. Very good. So we're outside of the taped area now, so you can free roam into the gates as you like.
I'm
Where they come
confused.
from? No, that's not.
That's rough, that is. Does he regret having wing mirrors? Oh, I think that's a no-win situation there, isn't it? Can you get that corrected? That's what I want to know. Ah, I don't think that's a touch yet.
Oh,
That is.
That is.
Oh my God.
Is that points now then, or what?
There's no points for that
No
gate.
points.
I think you snip to your diff.
Yeah, I'm just stuck with it.
Front wheel drive only, yeah.
Well, that's it, bugger.
Alright, recover that. Got to recover that. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, it's just come out. No, I have snapped the freaking lot. Snapped it. Just wrapped round the bloody wheel. That.
Oh,
That's it. I'm gonna do number one now. That's it. That's it. Indicator's wrong.
yeah.
10.
10 points. Oh. Ten points. Oh, that looks tight up here.
I think the pegs come over a little bit, Ed, to be fair.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. It was upright.
Oh, touch the line.
So that's 5 points.
5 points on that gate now. From that, 5 points per gate from now on.
So 25 half.
Out of the way, Molly.
I'm the same.
Out of Adam's way, Molly.
I was going to reverse it. Really. Stay there, bros.
I know I can't make it round there because I've never done it before.
There's a crack in the tyre. It's a little slit, I think.
Oh!
That's it. What that'll do. So 5 points deducted for a rollover. I'm fighting that axe.
Hit the wire.
Oh, it's not very good. I've gotten into a right mess here. I'll take 5 points for a correction. Which is just as good as a rollover, obviously. Go on, you can do it. That's it, straight up.
So is that 5 points added back on again now?
Yeah, 5
Be
points
careful
to
of
clear
this
the gate.
bramble.
Yes.
The axle snapping your bramble.
Would it be a bad time to say that your indicators are the wrong colour? Ed?
Yeah. Oh, no points and 5 deducted for a rollover.
still beating him if your score counts when you retire.
Really? I can tell you.
Oh,
You can't take it with you.
Make it a bit easier for everyone there, shall we? Oh, that's great, isn't it?
Oh, he's going again.
Another rollover, 5 points deducted.
Jesus.
Oh, well done. Made it furthest so far. True. Five points.
No, you're gonna get
oh,
Is
shot.
that another gate at the top there?
5 points. Yeah. It's a wide gate, but it's a gate. Oh, no. Roll over, 5 points deduction.
Isn't it?
Have I got to start again from the top, have I?
Don't stand next to me, I'll make you sit back on the jump. Yeah, just sit here, stand here.
Oh, Ed.
Not happening, is it?
Still winning, John.
Got to go back, yeah.
in action.
What?
Oh,
Did I get through?
yeah.
Oh. Yeah. 5 points.
Got it.
I'll go again.
Oh, touch.
Ah, no
So
points.
No points.
Straighten up, straight through now.
5 points, Ed. 5 points
you got
added.
some tyre on the way out.
Did I?
Yeah. So So 25.
10 points, clear. Through it. It's good, 10 points, clear.
You've been doing well with the truck on this one.
We had to do well at some point, didn't we? Me and my little truck.
Too soon, Simon.
Yeah, now it gets hard.
What? I've been at full concentration already.
Don't touch the red line.
I just want to nail it.
Win the gate. Come round here and get your view on it.
Yeah, got it this here. I'm gonna, yeah.
Oh,
over the
5 points from now on. No gate points.
Nope.
Careful on the rollover sign. That's the killer around this one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough. So tough, that angle.
I just watched Az do it. He stiffened up on my suspension on this side.
Yeah, you did. You've got to go
Just
back
one
this
side.
way on the way back.
No,
Yeah.
it's too soft on the other side. I'm not sure if I'm going to get around the corner without rolling.
Could do with a stone right in that hole there, really.
We'll get lower than the hole.
No!
Oh, 5 point rollover.
Lights are intact. All right.
Those lights are indestructible.
It's a good gate there. Clear. 5 points.
I'm exhausted. Where are we going now?
In through there.
Down through here.
The axle breaker.
Yeah.
The axle breaker. Steering on that is great.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you see that peg there, didn't you, Si?
Yeah, I got it. I got
He
it.
had a head rush then.
It all of a sudden, I wanted to go fast.
That's why we built it like this. He's clear for 5 points in a minute, but will he get past the
He's
rollover?
going to be alright. He's going to be alright. Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
5 points. Lovely. You're now in the lead at the moment, Si.
Bruh, about time and all.
You've done this before. You can do this.
Yeah.
Steady, yeah. Get that wheel on there.
Oh,
That's it.
Oh.
Bring her over. Yes.
5 points.
Well done.
look at that. Where are we going now? Oh, fast bit.
Up Slalom Hill. It's not marked as a slalom, but that's what you need to do to
That's
take
that
it.
tough bit though, isn't it? We hit that last time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good hill.
Got distracted by an ear on the floor.
An ear.
That's random.
Somebody's ear.
It's a bear, it's a toy bear's ear.
All right.
His ear. It fell off.
So you've got 5 points for that gate. Oh, grip issues. Can he find a bit of grip there?
Oh, hello.
Oh,
Beast it, Si. Beast it.
I really want
go on.
to.
You know you want to. Backflip it. Excellent. That way. Another 5 points. Clear. Simon is actually just destroying the field right now. How does it feel?
I
Simon?
am loving it.
You're loving
This
it
is going to
already.
be the only time.
I feel the rollover coming up though.
Definitely.
So you've got to make your way down there,
Are we straight down in?
straight down, because then you're going to go just around that bush at the bottom there. Oh, he's done it. I don't believe that. Oh, look. Oh, don't do it now, Si. so I don't roll it
Don't throw
over.
it all away.
I've seen you roll that thing on the tarmac. Oh, no point clear there. No, you
Nugget.
just wait there, wait there. You got to turn left at the
Oh, I
top.
thought that was the finish.
No.
No,
Oh, no.
no, that's not the finish. You've got to go back through the start section with the red tape now.
I thought I was going to go for a real heroic jump off
Straight
the
through
top.
there.
It was going to be epic.
No,
Damn it.
no heroics here.
I had my war cry ready and everything.
Now it's just a cry.
Yeah.
Although not quite as bad as John's, I think.
No.
Oh no,
Not going to happen.
it's not.
Ah, got it. Nice.
Yeah. Got to get round here without rolling though.
You've got plenty of points to throw away, Si.
Yeah, yeah.
I just want to win one
you've
time.
accumulated a lot to use up, you know.
Just want to win one time. Oh, I'm hitting that whether I like it or not.
Well, you've
Well, you've
already
already
hit
hit
it,
it.
so it doesn't matter, does it? Oh, 5-point rollover.
Damn it.
Hang on, I'll give you a bit of spot on that because you are going to roll over again. So there you go. Look.
Thank you.
It's still precarious.
Oh, is she creeping a bit?
So that was a 5-point deduction.
Oh, I just hit the line on this side.
Oh yeah, you touched the gate on the inside. No fives.
Nothing.
Oh, there's a bit of manoeuvring required to get through there, Si.
Get a better angle on it.
Yeah. Back her up. You already hit the tape, so you can't deduct your fives anyway. Just don't hit the gate.
Yes.
Gate. No points. Finish gate. Just don't get complacent. He's going for dramatic. What's he like here?
45 points.
45 points. No way. That's what I like to see. 45. So we've got John on 25, me on 25,
Sorry!
Simon on 45. Who's next?
Ness, you're up next.
Ness is up next. Hope she's been paying attention.
Yes. She really
She's
scrutinised
learned the
that last
course,
round.
yeah.
Yeah,
She knows
got
all
it
the
dialed.
tricky bits.
Clear gate, 10 points. See where you got to go here, Ness? Through here. Clear gate, 10 points. Don't roll it over, don't touch the line.
Oh, touched. What line? Ah.
Okay, you're down to 5 points per gate now. Oh, gate, no points. Come and have a look at the course before you go flying off. So you've got to come around here
And not
and then
on
through there. Where you, this is where, and then you're going back that way.
Keep it low. Keep it low.
Oh, this is where I did my pirouette.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, steady.
Go on.
Coming up here, mine.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Right, back over a little bit. That's it. That's it.
Looking good so far.
Go on. Nice and steady. Straight up and round. Straight up, straight through. Yeah.
Oh, that's it. Beautiful. 5 points for a gate. You're coming through here and you're going down there again. Don't break your axle.
No, I broke something last time. I don't want
That's
to
why I
break
always go
anything.
down. Here.
Bring her around.
5 point rollover.
I'm just for change.
Well, no, why wouldn't I?
Oh, I left some paint there. Look, again, usual bit of paint.
Why stop tradition now?
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, 5 point rollover.
That poor
Did
wheel.
she get the gate though? So am I adding 5 for the gate and then deducting it again?
Sort of.
Or did she hit the gate so it's just a no score?
She didn't hit the peg, but she hit the
I
tyre.
hit the
So
wheel.
I
The
think
wheel went.
she cleared
away.
5,
Get
but
it.
lost 5 for the rollover.
So
I
no
did.
So it's
difference.
nothing, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can get
done,
right over there.
And then she ran over the gate, so she lost 5 points. Don't break your axle.
Yeah, that's the actual snapping branch.
Oh, God. I think
Have you
you've
broke
lost
your
front
axle?
drive.
No, I'm good.
Well, your front wheels aren't turning.
Looks like she's down to 2-wheel drive.
Why are you down to 2-wheel drive?
Maybe a pinion thing come up again.
In which case, I didn't fix it very well.
Or it's still alright. You seem to
Just the
keep
drive?
going
Or
as best you can here.
He
to see.
nobbled you, basically. I won't fix this.
We keep going over this bit and we keep doing that.
Well,
Simon got through clear.
Did he?
Yeah.
he did, yeah.
Oh, he's got that.
That was a bad
Truck that
placement.
don't roll over.
Right, 5 point deduction for a rollover.
Nice and... That's it.
Gate,
Hit the
no,
gate.
yeah,
Yeah,
no
so
points.
nothing.
Close now.
Up there. She's in and out of 4-wheel drive, I think. That's a 5 point of deduction. Yeah, you've lost drive.
I have, haven't I?
Yeah. Who's your mechanic?
Drive.
Should I sack him?
Yeah, you need to sack your mechanic.
Yeah.
Si, you're sacked.
Hey?
You're sacked.
Yeah, sacked.
Rear wheel drive.
Right. Liberty Tim's rookie attempt here. Look. Although I've got a sneaky feeling it's going to be the best run we've had so far.
I don't know about that. Right.
You know what to do, don't you, Tim?
Don't roll over.
Don't roll over, don't hit the red stuff. Clear the gates. 10 points.
They're very tricky. Don't have much of a turning circle.
No, they are limited on them. 10 points. Limited on the turning circle, these trucks.
Oh, yes.
He touched it.
Yeah, so only 5.
Down to
Oh,
5 point
goodness
gains now.
Yeah, I'm lost.
For nothing.
That was it.
A silly mistake.
just rolled a tiny little bit. Cool.
That's it. Crawling's the game.
Oh, that's tight.
Clear the gate. 5 points for clearing the gate.
And I did see him touch the string.
Yeah, he's already touched the string, so that's done now.
Ready.
Right.
Set.
Here we go. Let's see if I can't mess this up.
Such a bad corner, this one.
Right, keep it low.
Probably going to roll over.
Get ready, Braids.
Brodie's ready. She's
Keep it
poised.
low. Keep it low. That's it.
I don't roll it when I
Yeah, you went straight round, didn't you?
Yeah, you got right on that line. You're looking good.
There you go
You're
over.
looking good.
You're alright.
Push it to the peglet. Oh,
Oh,
I was a bit
Good,
jittery
careful.
there on the controls.
Nothing wrong with the hardware.
No, it's me. My jittering.
Didn't touch it.
Clear, 5 points.
Clear.
Excellent. Lovely bit of driving.
And didn't roll.
It's about time somebody.
Oh no, this is where it all goes wrong. Yeah, but I've had a practice run.
It's all about the approach angle on this one.
I think I've missed it already. Give it a go.
Nice, deliberate turns.
No, I think I'm going to have to re-line up, I think.
You warm enough, Jed?
That's it. Reverse the back end right up that bank.
Oh, you'll have to move around when you do the steering.
Oh, how did you roll it there? 5 point deduction. I thought we were going to have a clear round from this truck.
No.
Maybe the secondary driver will prove us wrong there. Oh, that's tough, that is. Good bit of suspension articulation though. Same axle shafts as, oh, clear, 5 points.
I've got to come round.
Same drive shafts as on the Land Rover there, but
That bramble actually got caught there on the wheel.
yeah, just went throttle happy on it.
At least it's not just me getting the mickey taken out of me.
Everybody gets the mickey.
Yeah.
Everyone gets taking the mickey out of everyone.
Oh no, no, it's not going to happen. It's going to tip over.
Beast it, beast it.
Oh, but I'm going to hit the gate.
Just go, go, go.
Oh, excellent bit of seat of the pants driving there. Oh, touches the gate and then he takes a rollover.
You know what?
5 point deduction.
is a
Can you
shame.
believe
Right.
that? That is a shame.
Round there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is a shame.
Disappointment. What Emma says. I got this time.
Clear gate, 5 points.
Come on, old girl. Up we go. Up we go.
Find the grip.
Yes, well done.
Clear gate, 5 points. Doing well.
35, Captain Simon.
Whoa!
Really rolled it.
The camera didn't see that.
No, nearly missed that one.
Don't put the brakes on.
Right. I'll come down for this one.
You come. Oh, he's taking a different approach with the driving viewer's sight.
Just need to jump it off the top. That's what I need to do.
Oh, that's the way you do that. That's the way you drive that.
Now, I
Hang
can't
on a
help
minute.
noticing that one of those gate tyres has moved.
It has moved. It was there.
Here we go. Here we go.
Slippy slidey. Don't slip into that gate.
Oh, I had no choice.
No choice. Don't roll it. Go on, clear your way up.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh no!
well, it's all right. You've already done the tape. You're down to 5 pointers anyway.
I'm gonna have to. Oh no! If I do that, that's a correction, isn't
I'll
it?
do it as the chief judge here. Go on then.
Right. So I'm going back where I was now.
Yeah.
All the patience was there at the start, and
It
then
was.
the patience just lose.
He got bitten by the Simon bug.
Remember, he's left nose heavy.
I don't think I'm going to make it round
Bitten
there.
by the Simon bug, he loses patience.
I'm being helped out by the opposition here.
Where are you going?
Gonna reverse it round.
You're going to reverse that, is he?
Well, I'm going to give it a go. Thing is, I'm not very good on the trigger for reverse.
This is crafty tech. This is the Whiston Thacker relationship here with crafty like that. Sometimes it just doesn't pay off.
No, it probably won't. I've got to get the other side of that lump, otherwise it's going to throw me out. Emma's watching. She's taking notes, so she can beat me. I'm going to slide into that gate again. Look.
It's them lock diffs, you see, it pushes you around. Whoa! He cleared it.
Cleared it.
5 point gain.
That's right, you got your nose heavy, so it's not too bad.
You just don't worry about the red, you've just got to get round here now.
Right over the
That's
top,
it.
right over the crown, that's it.
Oh, look at it. He's
That was a
riding
good,
that
that
ridge
was a
now.
good suggestion, that reverse. I like it.
Riding the ridge.
Right, there's no way we're going to get through here now. That's, I struggled on the way up. Oh, no, it's already out of shape.
Touched it. No points. Set yourself up for the next one. Don't let it go.
Disappointing, eh?
You just need to be racing in line with this other line.
Yeah, you've got plenty of width on this gate if you come at it right.
It's not a very quick steering servo, is it?
No, well, this is a budget build.
Oh, okay.
It's ready to be upgraded. Clear, fine.
Right, I'm going to get through this one. Wide line down the rocks.
Clear for another 5. No, yeah.
I ain't got a course anymore. I've got a
It's clear for another 5. 55. Timmy takes the lead. Hey? What a bugger. Right. Straight into it. Emma can't get the controller off him quick enough. Look. Give me that thing. I'm going to show you how this is done.
Go on in. You've got to beat me now. The thing is, if we win, we're going to not win any friends.
Don't hit the tape measure. If you can drive around here without hitting the tape measure, you are just a serious, candidate for winning. Clear, 10 points. You've been watching all the other drivers, you know what happens.
It's like kickstart, but it becomes.
Yeah.
Don't lose your head.
Clear, 10 points. Don't back it into that red.
This bit that I thought, I think.
She's clear so far. She's driven this before, she's made it before. Can she do it under pressure?
Yeah, nice. Start turning. Go on.
10 points clear,
Yeah! Careful, Em, careful.
and she's still in the 10 points. This is
Keep it
becoming a masterclass.
Keep it low.
Mind that red there.
Not touched yet, is she?
Beast it.
Nope.
Oh,
So does that class as a line touch?
that was a line touch with a rollover. So she's down to 5-point gate, and she's been deducted 5 points. That's a shame, but you got further than anyone else did.
That's it. Molly's face.
Come on,
Steady.
come on, back her up. Right, coming.
She just bent that truck round that peg there. Clear, 5
Go on,
points.
Anna.
Down
Go
here
in there.
now. Get where you need to be to drive. If you need to be here to drive it, come round here. I'll move if you want to get here.
Better at the back rather than watching it in the front.
Alright. So it's, judging by the daylight that's disappearing, this is going to be our first and only run around this course. And at the moment, Liberty Team is in the lead by a full 10 points, I believe. Canny's wide.
Get their hands on the trophy.
I think it's in the Emmers.
Clear, 5 points. You've done this one, you know how that goes. Mind that gate on the back up. Don't go too low on that rock. Oh, that was a bad slip, that was.
You're going to have to beast it now.
That's going to flip.
No, why don't you do it?
Yes.
Oh, are you kidding me? I can't believe I've just witnessed that. Oh, touched the gate, unlucky, but no rollover, which is a mega bonus. Round there. Clear, 5 points. Clear, 5 points. Steady throttle wins the game. Clear, 5 points. Oh.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Just go. Go. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. You're down now. An alternative route there.
Well, I can't see around the corner down there.
Right.
You'll come up there now. Up there.
Up there, straight up, but don't run over the course.
On the peg. On the line.
Clear, 5 points.
Well done.
She's tying with you, Tim.
Uh-oh.
She's tying with you and
I've
she's
lost
got
now.
3 gates left.
She rolls over.
1, 2, 3, 4 games.
4 gates
Remember
left.
how Tim did it?
Yeah.
Gotta be careful with these things.
She just jump
I
over
don't
that
think I'll
hit.
be able to reverse that there, you know.
Go forward then. You've still got more points you can pick up. Not that I want you to win or anything.
Oh! Clear, 5 points.
Ever so slowly,
Don't stop.
ever so slowly.
You can back it around. You haven't got to drive it around.
I'm going to come back and then go around the side.
That's it. Well done. Well done.
Oh man.
I think everyone's clipped this gate on the way down, haven't they?
Yeah. Clipped it. No points. Nice approach angle on this one. It's easy gate if you get the approach right.
Concentration. Back it up, back it up a bit. That's it. Just that back wheel.
Oh, no points. No points. Oh.
Takes the win though.
Still takes the win.
I've got 60.
60 points. Ace, what a winner.
Simon's got third with 45.
All right.
We're not included. We cheated.
Right, everybody gather around a minute.
You're not having a go, Vicky? Do you want to play?
Nash, are you with us? Mind that line there.
I can't see your string.
Yeah.
Right, stop now, bro.
Right. So,
Oh, we've got the flags.
daylight's beating us, so we're going to have to just call it a one run and done. So, who came in with the first set of points?
So bottom of the leaderboard then is Ness with 10.
Well, I didn't want to say loser. Yay! 10, but she had a mechanical failure. Then it was...
Next was a draw with Ad and John on 25.
Yay! John had a mechanical failure. I've got no excuses. So, who's next?
Then we've got Simon on 45.
Come on!
Hey, that's pretty good. What's that, third place, is it? 40?
Third, yeah. Then we've got Tim, 55.
No way.
Newbie.
And what were you driving, Tim?
Your car, Ed.
Yes, yes. The one I built. And,
And then in first place, the Emanator
the Emanator,
with 60 points.
60 points. Oh, no way.
Picture taken with
The first one awarded with the Trials Truck Challenge trophy. Look.
Brilliant.
You can't keep it.
Yeah, you have to give it back because we need it.
No, you won't.
Well done. Huh? Can you believe that? Well, I think we all had fun. Did we all have fun?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, Brody's been having fun. Brody was chief rollover catcher, so she played a very important role and she did very well at it. And so did Molly. She was the chief spectator.
And the car.
So, yeah, excellent. Catch you on the next one. That's it.
Walk behind it.
That's it. Come on in.
Sorry, sorry.
I'll look at my handful of bits. I'm waiting for the rabbits now. For the disco ball. And then coming out going.
Right, leave it.
Good bit of driving, bros. Mind you don't drive all over the course though, because we've still got one more competitor to go. Tell you what, why don't you try and drive up that bit up there. Look. See if you can follow me. Look. Yeah, there we go. Look. Oh, that's all right.
That's my first ever roadside gearbox strip down, that is.
Go on. See, because it's slippy, see if you can drive up here real gentle with the throttle. That's better. There you go. That's it. Aim up towards there. There you go. That's it. It's slippy, isn't it?
Go on, you've got to keep going. Steer up, steer up.
Oh, yeah.
That's tricky. No, you've
Go.
got to go right up round that one.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, well done. Go on down here then and go down through there. It's tricky, isn't it?
See if you can go along there and then round again.
Yeah, see if you can go around again, Broads, and then we'll let Molly see if she can go around as well. Yeah, Mom? Cool. So you've got to go around me and then back the way you went before. Like that. You're not going to run me over, are you? What the hell? Huh? That's abuse, that is. Go on then, see if you can get around those tyres without touching them this time. Steady. That's it, keep it pointing that way, I think is the key. Can't use your fingers. Ah, that's a shame. Yeah, I'll reset you. Yeah, starting from there, go. That's it. That's it. Oh, there you go, that's perfect. You're watching, Molly, because you'll be doing this in a minute. Oh, there you go, back round here then. There we go, right, stop it there then. Molly's go, do you know what you're doing, Molly?
No.
So you've got your steering wheel, which is
Better
there,
than me, that was.
right,
Okay.
and then you've got your throttle.
Okay. Then you go. Whoa.
You've got to pull it in,
Oh yeah.
and that's it, yeah. So be gentle with the throttle, nice. Yeah, there you go. Follow me round here then. That's it. Round the tyre up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, she's just going for the whiskey throttle technique there. Put you there. Go on, do another lap then.
No, it rolls, it rolls.
That's it, round the outside, there you go. Oh, that rock caught you, didn't it? Back round, there you go.